How to fix user is banned from Guild 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix user is banned from Guild 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Discord. Then from in there, just click on the plus icon right here. Then click on this join a server. So click on that and make sure that the server that you're joining, the link hasn't expired. So make sure that the link isn't expired and you should be able to join. However, if you're banned from a guild, what you can do is head back from your home page, click on this icon right here, and then from in there, just scroll all the way down until you can see this log out option. And after you have logged out on your device, then just create or log into a new account and then head over again to your chats. Click on this plus icon and then click on join a server. And then from in here, the tricky part is to actually turn off your Wi-Fi and head over and click your phone data. So head over and use your mobile data and then put in here the invite link and then click on the join server. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix user is banned from Guild 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.